Patio Doors Warren Michigan should restore smooth operation, security, and weather protection without disrupting daily use. From patio door track repair Warren Michigan and patio door roller replacement to patio door lock repair, patio door handle replacement, and patio door weather stripping, a complete residential patio door service keeps doors functioning in every season. Homeowners looking for same-day patio door repair Warren Michigan often need fast help for sticking sliders, broken latches, cracked glass, or air leaks, and a local technician can handle patio door sealing, patio door maintenance, and patio door screen replacement with efficient results. Patio door installation in Warren, Michigan delivers a strong upgrade for homes that want better access to decks, patios, and backyards. With patio door installers near Warren, Michigan offering sliding patio doors, French patio doors, double patio doors, and outdoor patio access doors, property owners can choose the style that matches their layout and design goals. Warren, Michigan patio door installation can also include custom patio doors, residential patio doors Warren, Michigan, and storm patio doors designed for performance in changing Michigan weather. Patio Doors Warren, Michigan is often the best option when older doors no longer seal properly or show signs of wear. Affordable patio door replacement. Warren, Michigan can improve comfort, reduce drafts, and enhance curb appeal with energy-efficient patio doors, vinyl patio doors, aluminum patio doors, wood patio doors, and glass patio doors. Whether the project calls for patio door replacement in Warren, Michigan, energy-efficient patio doors Warren, Michigan, or custom patio doors in Warren, Michigan, the right replacement adds lasting value to homes across Warren, Michigan. Sliding patio doors Warren, Michigan are a popular choice for homeowners who want easy operation and a clean, modern look. These doors work well for patios, porches, and backyard entrances, and they can be paired with patio door frame repair, patio door track repair, and patio door roller replacement to keep them moving smoothly. In Macomb County patio door services, sliding patio doors continue to be one of the most requested options because they save space, maximize natural light, and support convenient outdoor access. Patio door glass replacement Warren, Michigan helps restore safety and appearance when cracked, fogged, or damaged panels appear. Glass issues can affect energy efficiency and security, so timely patio door glass replacement, patio door glass replacement Warren, Michigan, and patio door sealing services Warren, Michigan are important for maintaining a comfortable home. Many Warren, Michigan patio door contractors also service glass patio doors, double patio doors, and French patio doors Warren, Michigan, giving homeowners flexible repair and replacement choices for nearly any opening. French patio doors bring timeless style to homes in Warren, Michigan while improving access to patios, sunrooms, and outdoor living spaces. These doors are often selected for their elegant design, wide opening, and ability to complement both traditional and updated interiors. When paired with custom patio doors or energy-efficient patio doors, French patio doors can deliver both visual appeal and practical performance, especially for homeowners seeking residential patio doors Warren, Michigan that balance beauty with long-term durability. Patio door frame repair in Warren, Michigan is essential when frames warp, shift, or develop damage that affects alignment and sealing. Frame issues can cause drafts, poor locking, and rough operation, which is why patio door frame repair in Warren, Michigan, patio door frame repair, and patio door sealing are frequently requested together. A skilled local service can also address patio door repair Warren, Michigan needs such as weather stripping replacement, lock replacement, and handle upgrades to keep the entire door system working correctly. Vinyl patio door installation Warren, Michigan is a smart choice for homeowners who want low maintenance, dependable insulation, and strong value. Vinyl patio doors are often favored for energy performance and easy upkeep, while aluminum patio doors and wood patio doors offer different aesthetic and structural benefits. For Warren, Michigan patio door contractors, matching the right material to the home's style and budget is a key part of providing quality patio door installation and patio door replacement in Warren, Michigan. South Warren patio door repair often focuses on common problems like sticking tracks, worn rollers, damaged screens, and loose locks. Patio Door Track Repair Warren Michigan and Patio Door Lock Replacement Warren Michigan are especially important when doors become difficult to open or no longer close securely. Homeowners in South Warren, East Point area patio door installation near Warren, and nearby communities can rely on Patio Door Maintenance Warren Michigan to extend the life of their doors and reduce the need for major replacement. Sterling Heights Patio Door Replacement and Roseville MI Sliding Patio Doors show how homeowners across the region depend on nearby service for reliable results. Whether the project involves patio door screening services Warren Michigan, Patio Door Repair Michigan, or installing energy-efficient patio doors, local expertise matters in Macomb County. For custom patio doors, Patio Door Repair Warren Michigan, or patio door installation near Warren, choosing experienced Warren Michigan patio door contractors helps ensure durable performance, better security, and a polished finish for any home.